Achoo! Oh, sorry, readers. My nose is so stuffy today. Are you ready for our next read-along? Let's hear your best piggy voice. Today is your reading. Don't forget. As you're pretending to be Piggy, you need to think about how is she feeling and make sure your voice changes to match how Piggy is feeling. Are you ready? I know I am. Today we are going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. I want, ah, ah, ah. Choo! I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. No, do not speak. Shh. It is too late. Ah! 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 Choo. Goodbye. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor.